Situated on 2.5 peaceful acres, this property offers a quiet sense of country living the moment you arrive. A newly completed 40 by 60 barn with fencing adds incredible versatility to the land, enhancing both function and lifestyle before you even step inside. As you enter the home, you are greeted by an open, flowing layout where over 2,000 square feet on the main level connects each space with ease. The main living area naturally draws you forward into the heart of the home. The kitchen sits at the center, designed for both everyday living and gathering, with an abundance of cabinetry, solid surface countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a walk-in pantry, seamlessly connecting to the dining area so everything feels open and connected. From there, the great room welcomes you with a cathedral ceiling and cozy propane fireplace, creating a warm place to unwind. The primary suite feels like its own retreat with a spacious walk-in tile shower and generous closet space, while a split bedroom layout keeps additional main floor bedrooms comfortably private. Upstairs, a 4th bedroom and flexible finished space offers room for guests, work, or hobbies. Outdoor, a spacious rounded concrete patio extends the living experience, perfect for quiet mornings or relaxing evenings. Every space feels connected, calm, and intentionally designed for easy living. To experience the peace and comfort of this home, call Laura Brune today.